Hi there, students. Tussle. To tussle as a verb. A tussle as a noun. Okay, a tussle can either be a physical fight, a physical struggle. So there were two boys tussling in the playground. They were wrestling or fighting with each other. And then you can use it metaphorically, an argument, a disagreement, a conflict. And I guess you could even have maybe a phrasal verb to tussle with something, to have difficulty understanding it, to deal with it. Yeah, he was tussling with his problems. Yeah, he was tussling with a solution to this problem. Okay, so tussle, it's effectively another word for fight. Yeah. Let's see, a tussle. There was a tussle between the two fans, a small fight before the football match. Yeah, I think a tussle, it's not a big serious fight where somebody ends up unconscious on the ground, but it's a minor fight. So to tussle, to fight another person using your arms and your legs and your body. Yeah. Okay, and then, okay, to tussle with somebody, to have a disagreement with. I've been tussling with the council over this for many years. The residents have been tussling with the council over on-street parking. Yeah. Okay, so it's either a physical argument involving argy-bargy, pushing and shoving between two people. Yeah, I guess as a wrestler, he had had many tussles in and out of the ring. Yeah, there was a tussle outside the pub on a Saturday night. Yeah, and then I had a tussle with the supplier because the supplier wanted to increase the price. But eventually, after a long tussle, a long fight, we came to an agreement. Okay, so it can be both physical or verbal. Yeah, there was a tussle in the boardroom over who was going to control the company. There was a tussle over the rights to this piece of work. Yeah, there was a tussle between the two companies because one said it was using, the other was using its name unfairly. Okay, so to tussle. Yeah, if one person tussles with another, they get hold of each other and they're struggling or fighting. Yeah, I was tussling with my shoes to get them on because they didn't fit very well. Yeah, or I was tussling with the jersey because I got my hand caught. Yeah, a tussle with security staff. Yeah, and then you can also have this with the idea of to compete. If two people are tussling for something, they're competing. They're trying to beat each other in order to get it. So there was a tussle between the two companies to get the contract. The two teams were tussling for the cup. Yeah. There was a tussle, a row, an argument, a clash over this. Yeah, there was a legal tussle over who was going to get custody of the children. Yeah, and then to tussle with, to try hard to solve a problem or an issue. I've been tussling with this issue for weeks, and I still haven't got a good solution to it. Okay, so yeah, a vigorous fight. Yeah, both verbal, mental, or physical. It can be any of them. So formality. I think I'm going to give this word a 5 in formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere. Okay. Let's see. As to origin, well, it's related to the word tousle. For example, my hair is always tousled. To tousle, to put in disorder, to muss up. And that itself comes from the verb to touse, which I think is probably a bit archaic, which comes from Proto-West Germanic taisan, meaning to, or taisan, meaning to pull or tug on. And that's related to the German word sausen, to tousle. Yeah, to tousle your hair, to rumple. Yeah, my shirt was all tousled after the tussle. Okay, so to tussle with, to fight with somebody, to struggle with them, both physically, verbally, and to tussle with something mentally as well. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To tussle, a tussle.